Hello friends, today we will learn about condensation and its form dew, fog, frost and mist. Dew. Let's learn about them one by one. Dew at dawn. Very small drops of water often cling to grass and plants. This moisture is known as dew. Next, fog. Tiny water drops hovering in the air are known as fog. Fog looks like a cloud, but it is near the ground, not up in the sky. Frost. It is water vapor or water in gas form that becomes solid. Frost generally forms on objects like windows and plants that are outside in air, which is saturated or filled with good amount of moisture. Usually frost forms at night when the air temperature is cooler. Mist. Mist is very small droplets of water hanging in the air. Thus, tiny droplets form when hot water in the air is rapidly cooled, causing it to convert from invisible gas to tiny visible droplets of water. Mist is more common in forest regions and mountain regions. This video created by Muhammad IRSHAD. Thanks for watching.